Here, this is the binomial theorem for positive integral indices. Some identities are, these are the identities which are used in binomial theorem. So, that are a plus b raised to power naught is equal to 1, a plus b raised to power 1 is equal to a plus b का square is equal to a का square plus b का square plus 2ab, a plus b का cube is equal to a का cube plus b का cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab का square, a plus b raised to power 4 is equal to a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a का square b का square plus 4ab का cube. Now we here discuss the binomial theorem, that is the expansion of a binomial for any positive integral n is given by binomial theorem, which is, this is the formula used for binomial theorem. By this formula we can solve the questions of binomial theorem. X plus by raised to power n is equal to nc naught x raised to power n plus nc1 x raised to power n minus 1 into by plus nc2 x raised to power n minus 2 into by का square plus ncn minus 1 into x into by raised to power n minus 1 plus ncn by raised to power n. Now, we can take here the example of binomial theorem. By using binomial theorem, we can solve this question. So, this is called x, this is called by, and here 6, it is called n. It is called n. This 6 is called here n. Now, we can break down this term in binomial theorem formula. Now, break down this term. Here we apply the formula of a binomial theorem. So, that is by using binomial theorem, here we apply the binomial theorem formula. Nc naught x raised to power n plus nc1 x raised to power n minus 1 into by plus nc2 x raised to power n minus 2 by का square plus nc3 x raised to power n minus 3 into by का cube plus nc4 x raised to power n minus 4 by raised to power 4 plus nc5 into x raised to power n minus 5 by raised to power 5 plus nc6 into by raised to power 6. So, we can break down this term in the form of binomial theorem. Now, put the values of x, by and n in this binomial theorem. So, here n is equal to 6, x is equal to x, by is equal to 1 by x, n minus 1 is equal to n is equal to 6, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So, we can put the values x, by and n in this formula. So, it becomes n is equal to 6, 6c naught into x raised to power 6 plus 6c1 x raised to power 5 into 1 by x plus 6c2 x raised to power 4 into 1 by x का square plus 6c3 x raised to power 3 1 by x का cube plus 6c4 x का square into 1 by x raised to power 4 plus 6c5 into x into 1 by x raised to power 5 plus 6c6 1 by x raised to power 6. Now, how to solve 6c naught? So, this becomes NCR, and we know the formula of NCR, that is here taking 6c naught is equal to NCR. 6c naught, it is the form of NCR. Combination formula is equal to, this becomes n factorial upon r factorial n minus r factorial is equal to 6 factorial 0 factorial 6 minus 0 factorial is equal to 6 factorial upon 6 factorial 6 factorial upon 6 factorial, that will become 1. So, by using this formula, we can find out NCR, that is 6c naught, and 6c1, 6c2. By using this formula, we can find all these. So, we write So it becomes 1 into x raised to power 6 plus here 6c1 becomes 6 by using formula NCR. 6 into x raised to power 5 into 1 by x into plus 15 x raised to power 4 1 by x का square plus 20x cube into 1 by x का cube plus 15x का square 1 by x raised to power 4 plus 6 raised to power x into 1 upon x raised to power 5 plus 1 into 1 upon x raised to power 6. Now we can cancel. Here it becomes x, cancelling this x, it becomes 6x raised to power 4. X square cancelling x 4, this becomes 15x square. Here x cube cancel, it becomes only 20. Here 15 upon x square cancelling x square, here becomes 15 upon x square. Here 6x4. Here 1 upon x raised to power 6. So now we write the answer. So it becomes x raised to power 6 plus 6x4 plus, here it becomes 15x square 1 by x raised to power 4 15x it becomes 20. Here it becomes x raised to power 6 plus 6x raised to power 4 plus 15x square 20 plus 15 upon x square. Here x square cancel, 15 upon x square 15 upon x square plus 6 upon x raised to power 4 plus here it becomes 1 upon x raised to power 6 plus 1 upon x raised to power 6. So now this is the solution of this question. By using binomial theorem we can solve this question, and these are the identities of binomial theorem.